Here we've got Nokia 5.1 and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then click on the More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and go to the Settings. Not Help, but Settings. The second tab, and then go to Blocked Numbers. And here you can easily add a number to your blacklist by clicking on Add a Number. And now you can simply enter the number that you would like to block. Okay, without a dot at the beginning. Click on Block, and that's it. From now on, you will not receive any calls or messages from this number. And if you would like to remove this number from your blacklist, simply click on the cross icon and tap on Unblock. From now on, this number will be able to reach you back. So that would be basically all. This is how you can add and remove some contact from your blacklist. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.